What do we want?
Jobs!
When do we want them?
Now!
What do we want?
Jobs!
When do we want them?
Now!
What do we want?
Jobs!
When do we want them?
Now!
Thank you, thank you. I'm from the Chicago Teachers Union. 1,300 of our brothers and sisters and our teachers have been laid off, thrown out, put on unemployment, houses taken, cars taken, and what do we got? We got Mark Kirk up there. Where are you hiding, Mark Kirk? Come on down, we're waiting for you. Come on down. You know, on August 10th, Mark Kirk promised. He made a little say-so that he would help everybody out there. He'd help you, he'd help me, he'd help you. He was going to pass a bill and he was going to do some work for us. Then the very next day, he voted against the bill that would help working families and working poor make sure they don't fall through the cracks. This guy, Mark Kirk, where are you hiding, Mark? Why aren't you out here with us? Since he failed to pass this bill, 6,000 teachers were out of work just because that bill, he didn't pass it. Now that we have an education jobs bill passed by Obama, I'm part of the Chicago Teachers Union. We got $100 million from President Obama. They went to Daley, they went to Huberman, and we said we were going to get 1,000 jobs. Huberman said, no, we're going to give you 300. They're stashing $70 million for themselves, for their cronies, for their buddies, and people like Mark Kirk. People like Mark Kirk who takes the money and gives it to his friends and helps his buddies out.
And lies!
And he lies. He says Mark Kirk votes. And then what he says, he voted against it because it would have added to the deficit. How could adding jobs add to the deficit? When you have a job, what do? You pay your bills, you go to the store, you buy some milk, you buy some shoes, you buy some clothes, you buy some gas for your car. How does getting a job add to the deficit? So this guy lies. The nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office disagrees with Mark Kirk. They said that it wouldn't have added to the deficit. They said it would actually reduce the deficit by $1 billion. So what am I going to ask? Mark Kirk, one, where are you? And Mark Kirk, what are you thinking? Why aren't you helping us? Why aren't you helping the working families in our state? Why aren't you help the working poor? So what do we want now?
Jobs!
When do we want them?
Now!
What do we want?
Jobs!
When do we want them?
Now!
Thank you very much. All right, come on.